Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add variants for your products in Shopify. So for this, you want to sign into your Shopify account, go to your dashboard, and then click on products right there. Now you need to select the product that you want to add variants for, of course. So you can do that with a new product or with an existing one. I'll just go with this one right here. So go to your product, like the backend of your product. So you're kind of like your product page or your product settings page, I should say, which is this right here. Now you can then scroll all the way down and you should be able to come across variants right here. So you can see that I've got a ton of variants for this product. I have different sizes, different colors. Yeah, different colors actually, like different colors. Yeah, that's true. Not sizes, because I mean all sizes are available for all of these different variants, if that makes sense. But if you want to add a variant to your Shopify store, you can click right there, add variant, and they will send you over here where you can add color. So maybe I'll add blue. You can then add a size. Okay, so we'll go with 39 up to 45, for example. You can then add an image right there if you have an image that suits that color, which I assume you do, because that would probably boost conversions and the sales. So make sure you go do that. Right there, you can then add pricing. So you can change the price for different variants. You can change the inventory and you can change the quantity as well. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can add variants to your product on Shopify. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.